Morning. Here we are, leaving the campsite. Massive breakfast this morning. Feel a little bit better than yesterday, so yeah, happy days. Hopefully 40-50 miles today, and we'll see. Talk later. Kirby Stephen, 11 miles, possibly like 6 miles uphill, 15-17 degrees steep, and that's my destination for today. It's big climb, big climb today, many climbs, 17, 15, 20%. Start this morning at 11 o'clock, and now it's almost 4 o'clock, and I probably be like even 40 kilometers, but anyway, day is still longer. Is as I said, it's almost 4 o'clock, so hopefully it's gonna get to the campsite tonight quite easily, not too tired, but I feel like very strong today. My legs works very fine. 4 days today. This is my first day of holiday, so happy days. I feel like I can't get higher than this, so hopefully now it's gonna be all the way down until town, but I don't believe so. I think it's gonna be some hill again, at least one more hill, so it's okay. Legs spinning well today, as I said before. Good day. Keep your date. Hello. As you can hear, it pretty much is raining. I just need time. I go to the campsite again, and just in time to pitch my tent and start raining a spot, and nothing. So now I'm gonna try to get some food in town if it stop raining, and then go to bed soon.